In a quiet home, a drawer opens and memories breathe again. Inside an old treasure, 35 millimeters, analog cameras, icons of another time. They hold salt, love, and time. And today, they come back to life. This is I'm Back Roll. Now fully inside the camera, like a roll of film. A digital APS-C heart beating inside iconic analog cameras. Not nostalgia, rebirth. No screens, no distractions. Only the viewfinder, the shutter, the moment. It captures RAW, JPEG, 4K video, saves on internal solid memory, sends files via Wi-Fi straight to your smartphone, all without adding a screen. Built entirely from aluminum for better heat dissipation, durability, and premium feel. And the sensor, a large APS-C, 23.6 by 15.7 millimeters. More light, more detail, more life. Millions of analog cameras still exist. They don't belong in drawers. They belong in your hands. I'm Back Roll. The soul remains analog. The heart becomes digital.